Hi art friends, and happy Star Wars week. Today is May the 4th, and for the occasion I thought I would do a little quarantined cosplay version of Rey from The Force Awakens. She is one of my favorite characters, probably for obvious reasons. This would be one of the most obvious reasons. I actually did cosplay Rey about 5 years ago when the movie first came out, but I don't know where my costume is. It's probably somewhere deep in the attic, and I don't want to crawl up there for it. So this getup works for now. So I've been working on a few characters the past couple days, and I thought I would do some easy ones that I could teach you how to draw, kind of in my style. And the first one we're going to start with is the Porg. Some people call it the Star Wars penguin, but kind of does look like a penguin, I guess. But we'll start with that one, so get your paper and pencil ready, and let's get started. All right, so I know I say grab a paper and pencil. I usually draw with Sharpie just because I'm used to drawing with it, so let's go ahead. The first thing you guys want to do is draw 2 circles. So right in the middle of your paper, draw kind of a big circle. They have big eyes, and they're kind of small birds, but they do have big eyes. So 2 circles, kind of the same size right there. And then on the top, you want to draw a smaller circle for the light reflection. This is what gives most characters more of a cute look. Go ahead and color that in. If you're using pencil, don't worry about coloring it in just yet. For those of us that are not comfortable with using Sharpies right away and thinking we're gonna make a mistake, go ahead and do all the Sharpie stuff later. All right, so next we are going to make a upside down U shape, kind of like a helmet, I guess. So if you're using pencil, that's just going to go up and down like that. Since I'm using Sharpie, I'm going to kind of make mine ruffle a little bit, just kind of so that it can look like feathers. And back down right there. Then I'm going to kind of make this shape go in a little bit. And there we go. All right, next thing I want to do is make his little nostrils, and it's kind of like 2 little lines, almost like you're making a V shape right there, right in between his eyes, and another upside down letter U, just kind of exaggerated, look like they're frowning all the time. All right, so next thing we do is we're going to make a U shape right here. You're going to leave a gap though, a little space, so that we can go ahead and put the wings in afterwards. So I'm going to start right here and up like that. And now his wings. His wings I'm going to start right up here. So I'm going to mark that off. I don't want to start here because then it kind of looks like his wings are coming out of his neck, I guess. So you're going to make wings like that. So it's kind of like an L shape right there, and here it's going to look more like a letter J shape, like that. Okay, so his little feet are going to be 2 lines and 2 lines, so you're making a total of 4. Going to make kind of like a letter V, and another letter V. A lot of times I tell kids that if you look at drawing with what you already know, so you already know what a circle looks like, you already know what a letter U, a letter V, a letter L, or a letter J looks like. If you tell yourself that's what you're drawing, it's just easier to draw. And so that's basically the steps of how to draw a Porg. So next thing we do is color it in. All right, to color it in, I'm just gonna use some markers. So I just got 3 colors here. I've got a gray, kind of a tan color, and an orange color for his little claws. So I'm going to start with the tan color and make his eyes around his face this tannish color here.